In this video, we're going to dive into using Mailchimp's marketing calendar to streamline your campaigns and stay on top of your marketing efforts. If you're looking for an easy way to plan and track your marketing activities, you're in the right place, especially since Mailchimp's marketing calendar can help you do just that. Stick around to the end, where I'll show you a special trick that will make your experience even better. First off, the marketing calendar is a powerful tool within Mailchimp that helps you organize all your campaigns in one place. It allows you to see exactly what's happening across all your marketing channels, from email newsletters to social posts. This gives you a clear view of your upcoming promotions and launches, so you never miss a beat. You can even customize the view, choosing between a daily, weekly, or monthly layout depending on how you want to manage your time. Next thing, Mailchimp's marketing calendar makes collaboration a breeze. If you work with a team, you can easily assign tasks, track progress, and make sure everyone stays in sync. This means no more confusion over who's doing what or when things need to be done. If you're working with clients or a marketing team, it's all centralized and transparent. The third thing is that Mailchimp allows you to integrate the calendar with your campaigns. You can directly link your calendar entries to specific campaigns, so when you're planning out your email sequences, product launches, or social media posts, everything is neatly organized. That way, when you click on a date, you can see not just the event, but all the details connected to it, like the emails you've scheduled or the ads you've planned. The fourth thing to keep in mind is Mailchimp's ability to sync with your Google Calendar. If you're already using Google Calendar to manage your life, you can easily pull in events and deadlines from Google into your Mailchimp calendar. This can help you avoid overlaps and keep track of all your important dates in one unified space. Now, what's really cool about the marketing calendar is that you can color code your events. This allows you to easily differentiate between various types of campaigns, whether it's an email, social post, or something else entirely. This visual aspect can save you time, so you know exactly what's coming up next at a glance. One more thing, if you're using Mailchimp to grow your audience, the marketing calendar will help you stay consistent. Consistency is key in marketing, and being able to see your whole strategy laid out visually will keep you on track. Whether it's sending out weekly emails, social media posts, or blog updates, it all gets laid out in front of you. This way, you'll never feel lost in the shuffle of tasks and deadlines. And here's where things get even better. You can start using Mailchimp's marketing calendar completely free from the link below. And as a bonus, you'll get access to some exclusive perks that'll help you unlock even more features and make your campaigns even easier to manage. Finally, before you go, remember that by using our exclusive link, you'll get an extended free trial of Mailchimp, giving you even more time to explore everything this tool has to offer. So if you want to get organized, save time, and start executing your marketing strategy like a pro, start using Mailchimp's marketing calendar today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out that free trial below.